Hello guys, today we are playing OnePlus Superhero Speed. So let's get started. I'm on 78 speed and we need to reach till 24 stamina. Right now I am just a noob. So let's go. Alright, I'm on level 3 now. Let's go. We need to reach to levels 19 to 20 for now. Oh man, I just died. I have no stamina guys, I told you right now. No worries. Let's go. And look, guys, you see that? He's an Iron Man. And how did he go still that far? That's crazy. No worries. Should we take the 1 win? No, let's just leave it. Let's try for one. Alright. Recharge it. In this game, we need to recharge our stamina. If we don't recharge, you know what would happen. You will fall. You see? There's an Iron Man suit. How do we get that? Look! Superman and Deadpool! Wait. Look, there's Superman and Iron Man. They're all superheroes. Okay, let's go and get that win. Let's go. Alright, one. Let's go. Easy. Let's take one and let's go. We have 1 win. We will have 14 plus stamina. Let's go. Alright, let's go do this now. Let's upgrade the Supergirl. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, no worries guys. Let's keep up the work and let's go now. Now let's go. Oh. Alright, let's fly easily. Let's go. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, the super Iron Man just died. You see that guy who just flies so easily, and he was just like a hacker. Did you guys see that? No worries. We're on level 8. Nice. Now we are almost clearing the stage 2. Let's go. Look, I'm flying, guys. Let's get 5 win. Yes, let's go. Now we can have Iron Man with 19 plus stamina. Let's do this. Oh, did you guys see that? No worries. I will show you all later. Let's just upgrade ourselves. I'm on 500 speed. Wow. And look, do you see that? It is a golden trail. Crazy. I'm on level 9 now. Let's go. And go. Let's go. Wait. Let's recharge our stamina. Now let's go. You see that guy? That is also an Iron Man. Let's see him. Oh, hello Iron Man. Nice to meet you. But let's leave him behind. Okay, now we need to go to the. He's a little bit. Oh, do you guys see him? He just reversed himself and died. No worries. I'm on 600 speed. And let's go. I'm not like him. I'm a little bit a pro. So let's go. And now. Yes. Wait. I'm on level 10. Wow. Whenever we move in air, we get 1 plus speed. Oh, see? I just died. No. Oh, look. The other one's 600 speed and I'm going in. My first level was so easy. I am skipping two platforms. Wow. And this Iron Man suit is crazy, exactly. It gives 40. Do you see that Iron Man? That's a black Iron Man. Oh man. No. We need the next Supergirl has 24 stamina. Nah, man. That's crazy. We should get that, guys. So let's go. We need 3 wins to get 2 plus speed. Okay. Their mode also speeds. Okay. So let's go. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you're not, please subscribe and like to my channel for more videos like these. Let's go. And let's be recharged. We are recharged. Let's go, let's go. And now go, 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 go. Oh man, I died again on that same spot. Oh, you see this Iron Man? Whoa, we will have that later, sooner in the video. Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I am need to recharge. I'm on level 900 speed. I am on 900 speed and my level is 15. Alright, let's go. Should we take it? Yes, we should take it. Not right now. We have not enough speed. Let's take this 3-win. Oh, I have 2+ speed now. Let's go! Alright, now let's go upgrade ourselves. 1k speed, guys. 1k speed. Level 13. Let's go. Oh, a bacon girl just died here. No worries. Okay, let's go. Iron Man helped me a lot. Superman didn't. So let's go, let's go. Alright, go, 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 go. Yeah, Adyan can do this. I can do this, I can do this. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Level 14. Look, you see that Iron Man? Nah, he's chilling right now. Let's go, let's recharge. And I'll go. Now, exactly we should run. Wait a second. And we should run. I was so dumb that I didn't even run. So we cleared stage 3. Now we will clear stage 4. Let's see. We can do this? Yeah, I think we can do it. It's so easy, exactly. Wait a second. And let's go fly, 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 fly. So we can just run. Exactly. If it is too slow, guys, you can just skip it. Like this. Alright, 25 in. Let's first see what is the... Oh, there's lava. If you can see that, there's lava. Just leave it. Let's take 25 in. Oh, the game just paused. Okay. Now we can... Oh no. Should we equip it? Yeah, we should. No, I'm a girl. But yeah, I have 24 stamina. That's also great, guys. No worries. Okay, let's go. Whoa, only stage 1 was so easy. Whoa, that's so crazy, guys. Okay, now let's go. Let's go up, 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 up. Yes. Oh, I died. Nah, that was so embarrassing. No worries. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, guys. And now let's go. Alright. Now let's fly. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. And now I died, I think. No, I didn't die. I'm just going. Now we are on level 17. And let's now go run, run, run. I think if we should only run, right? Okay, let's go back. And now wait, recharge. Let's go. And now go, go, go. Let's go now. Let's see. Oh wow, there are a lot of spider webs and spiders. Whoa, that's so crazy. It's scary. Exactly, I'm scared of spiders. That's much. So wait, I did recharge too. Now we can go. Arrow is pointing us to the right direction. If it doesn't, I'm gonna pop back to. No worries. Whoa, 125 wins. Let's first try to take it, and nah, it didn't work. So no worries. We will now go at 125 wins of the game gone. Now we can have the boys one. Yes, baby. Let's go. Now let's go. Stamina. This one has more stamina than the super girl, exactly. So let's go. Yeah, baby. Let's go. go. Let's go. Wait, recharge. 2.1k speed? That's so crazy. I'm on level 19. Wait, do you see that, guys? There was a tree up there. It's a platform, I think. Let us take some speed in the pace. Should we land? Yes, should we land? Okay. Whoa. So crazy, guys. Now let's go. 3, 2, 1. Wait a second. We will just recharge. And now jump. Go, go, go. We can do this, I think. If I can't, we need to jump. Yep, we need to go down. No worries. And now let's go here. And now let's go up. Alright. Oh, Iron Man. Oh, he was going up or down? I didn't saw that. So let's go now. Let's go. Oh, these would also go up. I thought I was lucky that time. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm safe for now. I can go up, but I need to recharge before I die. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's twist. This is a technique. And oh, there's a pressure down. Let's go down. I think it's lava down. Whoa. Let's twist ourselves. No, 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 no. We cannot. Because we have not much power. Oh, let's recharge again. Now let's go, let's go. Let's go. We can do this. Oh, we can just need to jump. Oh, 500 wins! Crazy, crazy. Whoa, let's take this also. And 500. Whoa, 34 stamina. Whoa. Now we are also Black Iron Man. So for now we will end this video. Bye bye, guys. See you next time. Bye.